our friend Rick Santelli. Rick, a kind of a fascinating statement from Jay Powell and the Fed, because the Fed did cut rates and acted like they certainly were in a hurry last year. I don't know what's changed.
Oh, they absolutely did in a huge way, no doubt about it. I'll give you a couple of counterpoints. How many in this room or in any room in September, they cut 50 basis points in mid-September, thought Trump would be president, or thought that DeepSeek would be pushing NVIDIA off to stage right? How many? Or the next chart. How about the next chart? This is a chart of year-over-year CPI core, which is going to be out tomorrow at 8:30 Eastern, which our last look was 3.2%. On the left side, it's under 2% pre-COVID. On the right side, it's above 3%. There's your answer. There's your answer in a chart. That's the reason the Fed isn't cutting, because they've been miscalculating the sturdiness of inflation, among other things, or maybe underestimating the sturdiness of the labor market. I give them credit for making the right decision and being more flexible, but they definitely had a head of steam to cut last fall. Now, we're going to look at three charts very quickly here. A two-day of 2-year, 10-year, and 30-year. And what I want you to see is the right side is higher than the left side. All maturities are trading higher than yesterday's highs. The longer the maturity, the more above yesterday's high yields they traded. Okay? And why is that? Well, because we're going into CPI, among other things, and the yield curve is steepening, what we call bear steepening. Don't want to get too much in the weeds. With prices going down, yields going up, and the yield curve steepening, that's a bear steepening. And if you look at where the yield curve, 2s10s, was, the last time we saw CPI, the 14th of January, here's that chart. Okay? It's basically watching. We've seen it flattening. That is not a good thing, and I fully suspect that tomorrow we're going to see the same dynamics with inflation. But I think the market's getting much more discriminating on who they listen to. Back to you, Kelly.
Rick, thank you. We appreciate it. Watching that 2s10 spread, he's been telling us.